The markets have been experiencing massive chop directly after the Bitcoin halving, exactly as we predicted. This is an opportunity where whales like BlackRock start taking advantage of paper-handed and weak-minded traders. And over the next 30 to 45 days, this is our opportunity as strong-minded traders who have a long-term battle plan to start loading our bags for the bull run. We posted this chart inside the VIP group. Using the origin trendline technique, we are able to predict exactly where the Bitcoin price would fall down to until it bounced back into this broadening wedge pattern. Whether it's charting solutions or actually gem hunting, you see in stocks, some of the greatest minds in the world have been working on coming up with a solution to find the value of a stock before that value appears on the chart. You've got book value, P to E, the list goes on and on. What we've built is a simple 24-point checklist that we're going to elaborate on at the end of this video. Of course, it goes over every detail from reading the white paper, checking the team, to even researching the GitHub. Going over all of these fundamental details not only helps us find potential red flags, but also possible pots of gold. Now that we've vetted a handful of artificial intelligence picks, we can put all that data up side by side, zoom out, and start to take a new cerebral approach, including how unique is this project? How difficult will it be for another project to copy this and get similar results? And how often will the end users be returning to use this product again? Let's apply these two concepts to Kaspa and see what kind of surprises it has waiting for us during this market. You guys have probably all heard that Solana crashed recently. It just crashed again in the last 48 hours. The reason being, Solana's been so popular lately. All the devs are flocking to it. Retail's investing heavier than ever in it. This is the secret about cryptocurrency. It's literally only designed for a bunch of nerds in their basement. As soon as you apply real volume to it, the networks cannot scale that high. This is almost a complete test net, and Kaspa is the only project that can scale real world volume. So Solana crashing is exactly what Caspians want to hear. You guys have heard about the KRC20 upgrade. This is often mistaken by retails for smart contracts. Let's brush up on this a bit. KRC20 is what's known as an inscription. The granddaddy of all inscriptions is ERC20 on the Ethereum blockchain. Another great example is BEP20, the Binance Network's inscription. What they do is peg an asset directly on the chain. Most common use, of course, USDT, but you can also peg AVAX, Solana, Dogecoin, and then start creating DeFi once you have smart contracts also. So after the KRC20 is complete for Kaspa, on CoinMarketCap, we should be able to see a USTD KRC20 as well as an AVAX KRC20 all the way down the line. Developers looking for layer ones to build projects on, I'm talking about real projects that are going to be around to change the world, not flash in the pan that's all around crypto, almost giving it a bad name. These real developers on solid projects, who's going to build on Solana? It just crashed twice. Where do you think it's going to be at 10 years from now? They're going to start building on Kaspa. The off-the-page analytics on Kaspa show how unique the use case for this project is and why the end users will be driven back on chain over and over again. Applying our field of vision into the artificial intelligence sector, it's clear that we've built the outline for a solution into finding value in cryptocurrency before that value's appeared on the chart. And we need more of the brightest minds who have read the white papers, who understand the use cases of similar projects, to join our team and help chip in building this solution to find the next massive 100x gem. Have you ever taken part in a pre-sale? A lot of our 24-point vetting systems are for projects that aren't even listed on the market yet. Looking at the Kaspa chart, we've removed the price candle and we're focusing in on these indicators. By the way, the average upside that a pre-sale does once it experiences the day one on a listing is a 3 to 5x. During a pre-sale, you're paying the same prices that the VC does for the project. We can notice this pattern in these indicators known as stochastics on Kaspa. It's a descending staircase taking place from mid-April to now. We can see this again clearly back last year in April that lasted all the way to the end of May. And there appears to be another one right here from August all the way to September. Keeping those dates in mind, once we put the price back on the chart, we can see those dates line up exactly with the bottom of the cup and the bottom of the handle. This is signaling that the lows on Kaspa are in, but there may be some more sideways movement for another 30 to 45 Some other factors to take into consideration why you should be loading up on Kaspa during this discount. Of course, Kaspa has all this good news about to drop. Meanwhile, in the entire artificial intelligence sector, you've got that Fetch AI team up with Ocean, the 3 giant cryptos teaming up. That shouldn't be taking place till later this fall, along with the release of Aether, another DeepIn AI powerhouse. That's going to be the bullish narrative for artificial intelligence, and Kaspa's Rust rewrite indefinitely should be taking place before that, getting Kaspa the faster breakout. Thus, you can always reposition at the peak when you have profits into some of these artificial intelligence plays, which in my opinion, looking into early fall, are going to be significantly lagging behind Kaspa. Timing is a massive factor in the market, and a lot of this leans into detailed fundamentals and also technical analysis. And as you guys know, there's nobody else who's been as successful with leverage trading Kaspa as we have been on this channel. So stay tuned for those updates. Thanks for checking out this video. We can't wait to see you inside the group. We'll catch you on the next one.